The DJI Osmo Nano has resurfaced in a new leak this month after its appearance few months ago. Based on fresh details, the DJI Osmo Nano will be returned to the pocketable form factor pioneered by the DJI Action 2 with a distinct action camera and display elements that may attach magnetically. A spate of unreleased DJI products has been surfacing online. For context, dozens of Osmo 360 pictures leaked earlier this month before DJI released the Maverick 4 Pro. Shortly afterwards, the Mini 5 Pro also appeared in Federal Communications Commission before every detail about the Avatar 3 drone and Osmo Pocket 4 has also emerged in separate leaks. Now the long-rumored Osmo Nano has hit the same US regulatory body according to two listings. As per various sources note, the Osmo Nano appears to be a spiritual successor to the Action 2 camera, whose modular design has not returned on future Osmo Action generations. Instead, DJI reverted to the rectangular form factor of the GoPro and Insta360 rivals. As always, the FCC does not confirm the existence of Osmo Nano, whether it comes in two parts or not. DJI has certified two Osmo Nano variants, the OD 00125 and 1000125B. Based on the documentation that has emerged, the former relates to the display portion given its number OD, and by contrast, ON 00125 appears to be the action camera element, which has led to likes of Jasper Allens to conclude the pair communicate likely with the Action 2. At this stage, it's unclear whether DJI Osmo Nano will be officially launched or when it will be launched. From now what is seen, it is expected to come, if it comes, by the end of this year.